If you want an economical and tiny phone in 2022, the Xiaomi 12X should be your choice. Don't let the size and weight fool you. This phone offers a powerful CPU, a high-quality screen, cutting-edge photography functions, and speedy charging. So in light of this, we give you Xiaomi 12X review 60 days after. Xiaomi 12X unboxing. Let us start with what we found in the box of Xiaomi 12X. There is a charger of 67 watts, and there is also a Type A to Type C cable and an adapter. We also found a TPU case, a SIM tray tool, a quick start guide, safety information, and a warranty card. Design and display. We think the Xiaomi 12X looks excellent for a smartphone. The back panel is rounded and made of Gorilla Glass Victus. The power button and volume controls are metal and located on the side of the device. This phone is 176 grams in weight and measures 152.7 by 69.9 by 8.2 millimeters. You may use two different SIM cards at once. The screen bears the imprints of the fingerprints. The primary camera is a 50 megapixel shooter on the back, 13 ultra-wide 5 autofocus megapixels, and an LED flash. The 32 megapixel front camera is a real plus. Later in the video, we'll have some more on-camera dialogue, so stick around. It's not as big as the S22, but that doesn't necessarily make it bad. You do get a decent display. Xiaomi opted for an AMOLED display with a 6.28-inch diagonal, a resolution of Full HD+, support for high dynamic range HDR, 10+, and compatibility with Dolby Vision video. You can choose from 3 tones, gray, blue, and purple. Software. The Xiaomi 12X has a Snapdragon 8G1 processor. MIUI 13 is used, which enhances the system's safety, reliability, and performance. If Android release is believed, the new version is said to include optimized file and RAM management solutions that are supposed to keep phones running for longer and improve processor priority. Everything goes smoothly when you switch between tasks. The downside is somewhat noticeable, however. When you wake up your phone from sleep and unlock it, a loading icon loads all of your applications, which we consider a lag. Xiaomi's preloaded applications are particularly annoying since they constantly pester you until you disable them. This makes dealing with notifications more difficult. Several factory-installed apps are aimed squarely at the Chinese market and can only be used in Chinese.
Bummer.
Localizing an imported Xiaomi 12X, however, is a straightforward process. For example, if you don't have the Google Play Store installed on your smartphone, but can install an APK file containing the Play Store will work correctly. Anyway, stay tuned for the following section as we'll talk about the battery life and see whether it will last long enough for you to enjoy the features of the Xiaomi 12X. If you love Xiaomi Corporation products like the Xiaomi and Redmi phones, you should subscribe to our channel since our films will pique your interest. Camera. On the back of the Xiaomi 12X camera, there are 3 cameras. It contains a 50 megapixel primary camera, a 13 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 5 megapixel telephoto macro or telemacro camera sensor. The selfie camera backs 32 megapixels. Selfies made with it will be pretty detailed.
Take the picture, take the picture, take the picture!
Long exposure mode with 6 effects is one of the characteristics of rear camera photography. They are the moving crowd, oil painting, neon trails, light painting, starry sky, and star trails. One-click AI cinema with magic zoom, slow shutter, time freeze, night time-lapse, parallel world, and freeze frame is available in the rear camera video. Selfie night mode, AI beautify, and AI portrait mode with bokeh and depth control HDR are all available in front camera photography. By default, selfies are taken in 3:4 with options for 1:1, 9:16, or the whole display. If you're shooting in 4K at 30 frames per second, you can easily swap between the primary and ultra-wide angle cameras. Battery life. According to Xiaomi Corporation, the compact body packs a powerful fast-charging 4500 mAh battery, the highest energy density battery in Xiaomi's history, so you'll never have to worry about running out of battery. Of course, this might be a marketing ploy since we will only have roughly 8 hours of screen time on the Xiaomi 12X, not a whole day based on our experience. But it all comes down to your regular use. The Xiaomi 12X can be fast charged at a maximum of 67 watts. We believe it is ideal for a small phone. The battery is non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh. So honestly, we do not think this phone is better than the S22. Nonetheless, it is an excellent smartphone and can be classified as small but mighty. It's for those who want a powerful, lightweight phone. Also, you can save a lot of money as it is sold for $450. For further information on this device, watch our full Xiaomi 12X review video titled Xiaomi 12X 6 months after release review. Still worth it? See you there.